So here's yet another drawing book. This one is Dynamic Anatomy by Burne Hogarth, one of the great artists. And he did a whole set of drawing books as well. This one is Dynamic Anatomy. Looks like he made it back in 1958. Here's his table of contents. Now, his drawing style is based on how does the human body work, the human figure. It's all the veins and arteries in the human body. And what you can learn from him in this book is about all kinds of art and how there's so much to learn. He's basically doing art history in this book. There's so much that goes on before any of us were born. So he's telling you exactly what you can learn from art history. Proportions and measurements, general proportions and measurements. Now let's get into the human head and how to draw the head according to Burne Hogarth. Here he's showing you the masses of the head in a 3/4 view. He's broken it down into basic shapes. He's adding the features to it. Drawing a skull with a nose, where the mouth is, and showing you how it all works. He does a full-on face shot. His is a different approach to drawing. There he is tilting the head up, basics. Then he goes into drawing the eyes, all different things about the eyes, the nose, the ears, the muscles of the face, some renderings of different heads, different faces. It's a whole different way of drawing because this is so many years after the Bridgman book. Here he gets into the muscle anatomy, musculature of the body. And when you look at his poses, they're very much not ballet, but there's something about them that's very elegant in what he draws. And a couple of different guys in comics had him for a teacher, like Gil Kane, one of the greatest comic book artists. And Gil would do poses that were takeoffs on Burne because he learned from him, among other people. And just looking at the way Burne Hogarth poses out the human body, how he breaks it down, breaks down all the muscles and bones into simplistic shapes. This is a really fascinating book. I highly recommend it. It's one of 5 drawing and anatomy books that I have. I used to have a couple of his other books, but I had to pare down my library, so I don't have those. But this one, the basic one of Dynamic Anatomy, is really great. So if you can pick this up, either a real book or it's a Kindle edition, I highly recommend it. You'll learn a lot. Just start copying and you will learn everything.